Why does my dining room table have 3 KitchenAid mixers? The story starts 6 months ago when I bought a KitchenAid mixer for the first time. I was super excited to get really great mixing, high quality product, all that great stuff. Except the problem was that it didn't mix very well. It seemed that there was always a layer of stuff that was left on the bottom unmixed. The internet told me that the problem was that I was not passing the dime test. The basic idea is you throw a dime in and see if the dime moves around a little bit. If it's just moving around sometimes, that means that you have exactly the right tolerance for perfect mixing. You're supposed to be able to adjust the screw here to change the height of the bowl. Unfortunately, no matter how much I changed it, it was not ever able to pass the dime test, and I was super frustrated. So naturally, I called up support and I asked them for a replacement, and they said, "No problem, we'll send you a replacement in 6 weeks." I was super frustrated about the delay, but I was even more frustrated when after 6 weeks it hadn't arrived. I called them up again, and they couldn't find the record of my order. So they made a new order. Imagine my surprise in January when 2 mixers arrived on my doorstep on the same day. Apparently they hadn't lost the orders. Now I had 2 mixers that hopefully would fix my problem. The good news is both of them passed the dime test. This was great. So what's the problem? The problem is that these units are flawed in other ways. First of all, the motors are way louder than my original unit. This is obvious from the graph of the waveforms and the graph of the frequency spectrums. Refurb Unit 1 also has some cosmetic damage. So I'm left with choosing the best of the bad options. I guess I'll choose Refurb Unit 1 because it has okay motor noise and the cosmetic issues won't bother me that much. So if I had to go back and do it again, I probably wouldn't even bother asking for a replacement. After the replacements arrived, I got one more idea, which is just making shims. So if I just drill holes that match the pins where the bowl mounts on the unit and make them roughly circular, I can then just place them there, and that will create enough space for my unit to pass the dime test. KitchenAid failed in multiple ways here. First, their initial unit had quality control problems. It should have passed the dime test out of the box. Second, the 4-month replacement delay was absurd. Perhaps we can excuse it because of COVID. Third, they sent me double replacement, which just increases costs for all consumers. And fourth, their refurb units that they sent me as replacements had bad quality. I hope this helps somebody else. Thanks for watching.